morning students. Welcome to your computer class. In previous lecture, we have completed our two topics. One is your computer architecture and second one is your network topology. Okay, first tell me how many types of you are having network topology? Yes, we are having three types of network topology. One is your bus topology, ring topology and star topology. Okay, today we are going to discuss about protocol. What is the meaning of protocol? It means how the two devices are communicate to each other over the internet. जो two devices या more than two devices communicate करते हैं, then protocol help us that how they can communicate. We are having so many types of protocols. One by one, we are going to discuss about these types of protocols. One is your HTTP. What is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And what is the use of it? It indicates the what actions we are going to do with our web browser, on our web browser. So many addresses are started with the help of HTTP like this. This one is the example of your HTTP protocol. Next one is your FTP. What is the full form of FTP? File Transfer Protocol. By name, it is clear that what is the meaning of file transfer protocol. Transfer means हम files को transfer करते हैं. In this, we are going to use two digits, two words. One is your uploading and next one is your downloading. What is the meaning of uploading and downloading? I think it is clear to you. But let's start. Uploading. Uploading means when we wanna sending something, we wanna sending our idea from our computer to the over the internet. That one is the example of uploading. And next one is your downloading. Downloading means when we wanna download any idea, any information from the internet to our computer. This one is the definition of uploading and download. Next one is your TCP/IP. First tell me what is the full form of TCP and IP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol and IP means Internet Protocol. If we wanna send our information and idea from one computer to another computer, then how the informations are going node to node, computer to computer and from one person to another person over the internet. Then TCP/IP help us to sending the information or our idea. Next one is your POP3. What is the full form of POP3? Post Office Protocol version 3. What is the use of this? इस protocol का क्या use है? POP3. When we wanna read our email messages, then POP3 is going to help us. Then how? Now question is arise that how POP3 help us? We can read our email messages with the help of POP3 protocol after downloading or store it on our computer. One disadvantage is also there of POP3 protocol. What is that disadvantage? That one is if we wanna read our email messages on another device, then we can't read it because we have downloaded that email messages on our previous device. Next one is your IMAP. What is the full form of IMAP? Internet Message Access Control. This one is also used for read the email messages. But there is a little bit difference between POP3 and IMAP. What is that difference? In IMAP protocol, we can read the email messages without downloading it and without store it on our computer. One more difference. We can read our email message on another device also with the help of IMAP. Next one is your and last protocol is your SMTP. Now tell me what is the full form of SMTP? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This one is also for email messages, but this one is for sending email messages over the internet. These three protocols, IMAP, POP3 and SMTP. These three protocols are used for email messages, but there is a little bit difference. SMTP for sending the email messages and IMAP or POP3 for receiving the email messages. This one is all about your first chapter. Now let's start exercise. आज हम अपनी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. योर फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ऑफ टिक द करेक्ट आंसर, सेकेंड वन ट्रू फॉल्स, एंड थर्ड वन fill in the blanks. These three parts you have to do in your book, and rest parts, that one is of your question answer, you have to do in your notebook. I will send you the pic of or solution of this exercise and question answer जो आपको notebook में करना है. That one should be in your neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Thank you.